Understanding Bare Metal Servers, a deep dive for beginners. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we aim to make English language learning fun and engaging. Today, we have a fascinating topic to explore that merges the world of technology with language learning: bare metal servers. If you've ever been curious about what goes on behind the scenes of the internet and cloud computing, you're in the right place. Let's demystify this term together and understand why it's crucial in the tech world. A bare metal server refers to a physical computer server that is dedicated to a single tenant. The term bare metal highlights the physical, tangible nature of these servers, as opposed to virtual servers that exist only as software. Think of it as renting an entire house just for yourself, instead of sharing it with others. This exclusivity offers the tenant, or user, full control over the server, its resources, and its hardware, without any overhead from virtualization layers. Direct access and control. With a bare metal server, users have root or administrative access, allowing them to customize the server's hardware and software according to their specific needs. High performance. Since there's no virtualization layer that consumes resources, bare metal servers offer peak performance. They're ideal for resource-intensive applications like databases, gaming, and high-traffic websites. Security and isolation. Being dedicated to a single tenant means that bare metal servers offer a higher level of security and isolation from other users, making them a preferred choice for sensitive or critical operations. While virtual servers are cost-effective and flexible, suitable for many small to medium-sized applications, they share physical resources among multiple users. This sharing can lead to variable performance and potential security concerns. Bare metal servers, on the other hand, provide a stable, high-performance environment with dedicated resources, making them better suited for high-demand applications and those requiring consistent performance. We hope this video has shed some light on the concept of bare metal servers and their importance in the computing world. Whether you're diving into the tech industry or just curious about the infrastructure that powers the internet, understanding these key components is incredibly valuable. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this explanation helpful. Stay tuned for more insightful videos on English language learning and much more. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.